Hello everyone, it's Miyako. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna make a Sasa Dango. Let's get started. Do you know the roots of Sasa Dango? Uesugi Kenshin was a samurai lord who had Sasa Dango as a preserved food. The reason for using bamboo glass is that it doesn't spoil and it kills bacteria. Niigata Prefecture is one of Japan's leading rice fields. There are many companies famous for rice cakes such as Kameda Seika and Echigo Seika. Please look at these ingredients and directions. Next page, I will change the narration with Kinako-chan.
Boil the steamer. Put the junkers into hot water. Let it into water until you use it. Change the water a couple of times and soak bamboo leaf into it. Roll the red bean paste into a 20-gram bowl. Let it rest in the fridge until you use it. Put the glutinous rice flour and the rice flour into the bowl. Tear the mugwort to pieces and add it in the bowl. Squeeze the mugwort and mix it. Pour hot water and make it as soft as an earlobe. Knead the dough until the color becomes equal. Cut it into 6 pieces. Let's wrap the sweet red bean paste. Spread the dough on your hand. Cover the sweet red bean paste. Next, wrap it with bamboo leaf. Wrap it with 2 pieces of bamboo leaf and cover it with another leaf from above. Twist the bamboo leaf and leave the end of it for 10 cm. Cross the junkers and switch it and twist the bamboo leaf again. Wrap the junkers around it 2 times and cross it in the middle. And wrap in the middle. At last, tie the junkers and it's done! When you hold it and if the dango becomes horizontal, it's great! Line them in the steamer. Steam it on medium heat for 15 minutes. And it's done! You can freeze it. Please microwave it before you eat. Thank you for watching to the end. Where do you wanna go to next?
Next page, I will change the narration with Kinako-chan.